Okay, now you have got your extensions and you got issues with them. Generally, a common issue is the corner of the weft is just popping out, or it's just kind of like it's gotten long and it's flipping. So actually, I had that problem earlier, and since I don't have a mirror right here, I can't show you. But what you got to do, so what happens is when this corner somewhere somehow it's going to come down, it's causing this little flare. So the best thing to do is when you're traveling, when you're not, always have a bobby pin in your purse. That's part of your must have. This bobby pin, you will section your hair up. Your weft needs to go back where the rest of the row is, and opening the bobby pin, and you want to go in and secure the corner. You can do one or two, so this way they won't move or flop. And after that, you call us and we can fix it. But don't try to grab something or try to remove a stitch. But the best way is to use a bobby pin. If you were equipped with one of these and a plier, what needs to happen, one of these beads needs to go to corner of the weft, corner of your hair, and then you clamp them close. So this way you have no flaring. So this is how you fix it.